This video will show you how to access the PowerSchool online public portal in order to view your child's schedule, grades, and attendance information. First, you'll need an online access letter like the one pictured here. This can be provided by your child's school. This letter contains the website address and unique ID and password for your child. If you have more than one child at Andalusia City Schools, you'll need an online access letter for each one, as their IDs and passwords are unique to the student. At the bottom of the page, each student is also provided with their own login information that is different from the one provided at the top of the letter. The student can access the same public portal by going to andalusiacs.powerschool.com/public, clicking on the blue Student Sign-In button, and logging in with their school Google account. This information can be obtained from your child's teacher. This will allow the student to view their grades and attendance without seeing other students associated to the parent. If you are a returning user, you do not need to create a new account. You will log in using the same username and password that you used in a previous year. If you don't remember, click Forgot Username and Password. There is a new Student Sign-In area at the bottom of this screen. Once you have received an online access letter for each of your children, you are ready to go to our online public portal and create your account. Again, here is the website that is listed on the online access letter. Once at this website, you'll click the Create Account tab. Next, click the Create Account button. Enter your parent account details. Once you have entered your parent account details, scroll down to link students to your account. Enter the access ID, access password, and relationship for each student you wish to add to your parent account. Once you have entered student information for each of your children, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the blue Enter button. After clicking Enter, you'll notice a green box that says, "Congratulations, your new PowerSchool account has been created." At this point, you'll need to stop and check your email for a link to verify your account. Once you've clicked on the link in your email and verified your account, you can return to this screen to sign in using your username and password. You will have successfully created your account for our Andalusia City Schools PowerSchool Online Parent Portal.